Hey YouTube, it's me again, and I'm here to do my 1 month update on my hair. And this is the AliExpress Queen Hair Products Virgin Brazilian Straight Hair. I have in 4 bundles, a 12, 14, 16, and an 18-inch, and it's on sewing. And yeah, I have all the specs on my hair in my previous 2 videos. So if you want to check those out, then just look through my channel, you see those videos there. So yes, hopefully this video won't be too long because I don't really have a lot of things to say about the hair. So hopefully I don't blab on about foolishness like I always do. Okay, so anyways, yeah, about the hair. I love the hair. It's great. I'm having no issues with this hair at all. Like, for real, it's doing a really good job. So I haven't washed the hair since my last video. So I haven't washed the hair in 2 weeks. And it's holding up really well. The hair is very low maintenance. I'm gonna wash it sometime in this week, and if not, I'll probably just wash it on the weekend. But this hair is doing really well so far. I'm not experiencing a lot of shedding. I mean, I do get some shedding, but it's like really nothing to me. Like I said before, for the whole day I'll probably get 5 to 8 strands for the whole day. So I mean, shedding is not bad. I'm not experiencing anything wrong with shedding. Tangling, no, the hair does not tangle. It really does not tangle at all. Like, it really doesn't tangle. Like I said before, the hair is very low maintenance. I don't have to do a lot to this hair to get it to do what I want it to do. Like, I can go to bed, wake up, and it looks like this. Like, this is how my hair looked when I woke up in the morning. And all I did last night is put my hair in a ponytail. I just put the hair all back in a ponytail like so. And I put my satin bonnet over my head, like a bonnet cap, and went to bed and took down the hair scrunchie, and this is what the hair looks like. So very low maintenance hair. Sometimes I curl my hair with the headband method, and I'll probably do a video on how I do my headband method, but there's a lot of videos on YouTube on it. All you do is you get a headband, put it around your forehead, and then wrap the hair around it like so, and it's very easy, and it curls the hair, gives me really nice curls the next day. So yeah, what else? So no tangling, no shedding, none of that. I do not put any product in this hair on a daily basis. Since I've washed this hair, there's been absolutely no product in the hair. You can see the hair still has a nice shine to it, natural shine. It's just very gorgeous. My ends are also very good, very healthy end. And as you can see, the ends are a lot lighter than the hair itself. Look at the difference. So yeah, the ends are light. So yeah, I put no product in the hair. The last product that this hair received was when I washed it, and I got the shampoo, conditioner, and the Moroccan argan oil. But since then, I haven't put anything in the hair. The only thing, my natural hair will get product. I'll put some gel in my sides. I don't have gel in my sides right now, but sometimes I'll put gel in my sides, and I use the Cream of Nature edge control on it. The one is the orange cap. So yeah, there's nothing bad I can say about this hair. I mean, it's amazing. I love it a lot. It holds curls really nicely. So I mean, yeah, 1 month, and I'm really loving it. The hair is doing a great job. So all my leave-out are left on the whole perimeter of my head. So I have it on the side here. On the side here, I have leave-out. My part here, and I have my hair left out at the back as well, so that I can catch my hair up. I'll probably do a video of the different styles I do with the hair when I do them, but I've just been so busy with school that I don't get to do a lot of videos. But I will definitely do a video of the results I get when I do the headband method, and like when I'm in a ponytail or something like that, because I do catch my hair by times. So yes, this is the 1 month review on the hair. Everything is going great. So yep. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below, and all that jazz. Don't forget to subscribe, and thumbs up. Bye.